Agent Scientist here. Our mission today: crack the secret code hidden inside every element in the universe. Every atom has a hidden identity card. Let's learn to read it. Every element has a chemical symbol, its secret nickname. It's usually 1 or 2 letters. Silver's symbol is Ag. Oxygen is O. Carbon is C. This is the first clue. Agents, this is the Nuclide notation, the atom's full ID card. Let's break it down. Atomic number, small number, equals 6. This is the proton count. It tells us this is carbon. It never changes. Mass number, big number, equals 12. This is the protons plus neutrons, the total particles in the nucleus. Want to find the neutrons? Easy spy math. Neutrons equals mass number minus atomic number. So our carbon atom has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and, because atoms are neutral, 6 electrons. Electrons live in special orbits called shells. First shell holds up to 2 electrons. Second shell holds more. Carbon's electronic configuration is 2, 4. That's its electron map. Meet isotopes, secret twins of the same element. They have the same number of protons, same atomic number, so it's still carbon, but a different number of neutrons, different mass number. Mission complete, Agent! Now you can read the secret language of atoms. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more fun science adventures.